When we want to use a large map like Google Map and to capture the areas we want, we must use panoramic mode. After selecting this mode, we must select the desired area with click and drag. It's better that there is nothing in this selection box, especially these writings, shapes, and other things. The selection box must be clear. After selecting the area, this tool will be appear on the screen. We put it away from selection box. Start our work by hitting start, and you have to move slowly in vertical and horizontal direction. As you can see in this small screen, the capture parts are displayed for you. Okay, we continue moving to capture the map in a different direction. Just look at the small screen here. Okay, that's enough. Click the stop button and waiting for software to connect the different parts. And as it finishes, the big map display in editor mode. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.